I will induce your labor because you have severe preeclampsia.
You see that video you just watched? I made that first one with when. Okay, watch this one.
Dr. Adazian teaching postpartum women that breast milk is enough for their newborn in the first 6 months of life. The babies don't need water or glucose or any multivitamins. Breastfeed on demand and the baby takes all the nutrients needed and immunity is transferred too.
I made this second video with Dream Face. You can see that the watermark is there. I'm a content creator on health. I create content on health. And most times, you don't see me come regularly because I am busy. Combining with coming to camera to teach and sensitize people about their health is a Herculean task. It's not easy. But to God be the glory for AI tools. So when I started seeing people making videos with AI, I tried to put hand on it. I was so happy with Grok. See the video I made with Grok.
We will closely monitor your labor with this electronic machine.
Okay, thank you.
It ensures your comfort and the baby's safety.
So after this video with Grok, just the second day, Grok stopped free videos. You have to pay. I was so devastated. I had to continue because my YouTube page was monetized last 2 years, or last 2 years, I think. Yes, last 2 years. I traveled and I was very busy. I couldn't cope with making videos. I was demonetized. I don't mind. I was actually demonetized. But I love what I do. I just like giving people information about their health. So I now found out last night. See this video. I made it with YouTube.
It's crucial to book your antenatal clinic early. This helps us monitor your...
free of charge. You can make 8 minutes video. Grok was giving us 6 minutes out there. But you see YouTube video, did I say 8 minutes? Sorry, I meant seconds, please. Gwem gives you 5 seconds. Grok gives 5 seconds. Dreamface, I don't know how many seconds they give, but YouTube gives solid 8 seconds. And it's very fast. It's very, very fast. You can use YouTube to make your AI videos. So please subscribe, follow my page. Now let me show you how I did it. So let's dive into the teaching. Now follow this information step by step. Open your YouTube, then click on the plus sign. Let's take it from there. Watch. Open your YouTube. So open your YouTube, open your page, and open on those plus sign. As you can see my picture here. However, that's not where I'm coming from. Look at this AI symbol. Click on it. Click on this AI symbol. Now, on this AI symbol, you will see different, you see create video, make me move, photo to video. So I'm going to click photo to video. Then I'll come here, choose any photo that I want. So let me choose one that I created. But by then you must have created your photos, maybe using ChatGPT or Gemini. So you create what you want, you follow. Then you click on that photo. So you see what is written on the screen. Try bring your photo to life. So I'm going to put what I want it to say. I will say, teach this young woman that came for infertility clinic, that she will need to do follicular tracking to help track when she ovulates. The good thing is that if it's the photo it cannot use, it will tell you that it cannot work with that photo, that you need to upload another one. So let's see how it happens. And it's actually fast. Okay, just watch. It's already 19%. And change location.
To help us track exactly when you ovulate, we will need to perform follicular tracking, which involves using ultrasound scans to monitor the growth of follicles in your ovaries. To help us track exactly when you ovulate, we will need to perform follicular tracking, which involves using ultrasound scans to monitor the growth of follicles in your ovaries.
If you don't like what's happened, you can try
again. To help us track
again,
exactly when you ovulate, we will need to perform follicular tracking, which involves using ultrasound scans to monitor the growth of follicles in your ovaries.
To your device.
To help us track exactly when you ovulate, we will need to perform follicular tracking, which involves using ultrasound scans to monitor the growth of follicles in your ovaries. To help us track exactly when you ovulate, we will...
I hope you have watched. Try it and come back and let me know if you're able to get it. Please subscribe to my page. Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. OBGYN Talks with Dr. Adazian. I actually discuss health matters about women, children, and I add men's health to it. If you want me to discuss anything, drop it on the comment section. I'll come back to it. Thank you.